From grove to gold, this happens fast. Seconds define quality.
This is extra virgin.
Consistency is enforced. Pure from start to finish. Harvest begins precisely. Freshness is protected. Speed prevents oxidation. Only quality continues. Time matters now. Processing begins immediately. Every batch is logged. Handling stays gentle. Impurities removed. Cleanliness is critical. Ready for crushing. Human judgment remains vital.
Structure breaks down.
Oil is released.
Cold extraction begins.
Heat is avoided. This is where transformation truly begins. Mechanical force breaks the olive. Flesh, skin, and pit become one. Flow is controlled carefully. Oil droplets begin to unite. Cold extraction protects quality. Time replaces force.
Separation is next.
Physics takes control. Oil reveals itself. Separation happens through pure physics. This is raw extra virgin oil.
Byproducts are removed.
Nothing is wasted.
Purity improves further. Visual checks confirm quality. Filtration is precisely controlled. Remaining particles are removed.
Stability is achieved.
Oil rests before testing.
Quality testing begins with sampling. Traceability is essential.
Acidity defines extra virgin grade.
Numbers confirm purity.
Oxidation levels are checked.
Clarity and purity are verified. Human senses still matter.
Flavor confirms authenticity.
Data authorizes the batch.
Approved oil moves forward.
Only approved oil moves ahead. Precision begins before bottling.
Clean pathways protect purity. The final form takes shape here.
Every bottle begins identical.
Clean containers protect flavor.
Accuracy prevents waste.
Calibration is verified.
Full-scale production begins.
Automation takes control.
Sealing materials move in rhythm. Freshness is locked inside.
Pressure matters.
Identity is prepared.
Information meets precision. Machines verify perfection. Errors are removed instantly. Efficiency never pauses. Every bottle passes twice for perfection. Traceability continues here.
Freshness marked precisely.
Appearance reflects quality.
Synchronization ensures efficiency. Excess moisture is removed.
Consistency is never compromised.
Mistakes are removed instantly.
Packing begins in perfect order.
Every batch is ready for dispatch.
Even finished bottles undergo final scrutiny.
Accuracy is verified digitally. Acidity confirms extra virgin grade. Freshness is monitored scientifically.
Human senses are the final authority.
Flavor confirms authenticity.
Every batch is officially approved.
Approved oil proceeds to final stage.
Traceability ensures safety.
Only the best moves forward. Every bottle is secured for delivery.
Packaging is precise and consistent.
Pallets prepare for transport. Stability ensures safety.
Batches await distribution.
The journey to market begins.
Every shipment verified. From mill to market. Crafted with precision at every stage.
And this is how extra virgin olive oil is made from grove to bottle. Subscribe for more.